Plugins are the core building blocks of your WordPress website, and it is important to keep them updated. Having the latest versions ensures that your website is up to date and working properly. Hi guys, this is Jaswin Walia from Team Learn Today, and in this SOP, we are going to learn how we can update the installed plugins on our WordPress website to make sure that our website is running properly and we are not facing any issues in the future. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first step that you have to take is logging into your WordPress dashboard. You can do that by typing domain.com/wp-admin. For example, in my case, it would be justwinvalia.com/wp-admin. The first thing that we have to do as soon as we land on our WordPress dashboard is look at our left sidebar. And as you can see, I have 7 updates showing right here in the home section on my left sidebar. I will click on those updates. And as soon as we land on our WordPress updates pages, we can see that we are on our current version, which is a good thing. And we have 6 updates for the plugins that I usually use. So you can either select all the plugins and update them, or if there are certain plugins that you're not using or you don't want to update them, you like the current version of the plugins, for whatever reason, if you don't want to update them, that's fine. You can manually select whatever plugins you do want to update and then go ahead and update them. For example, I think I wouldn't go for opt-in monster for now. The rest of the plugins, I think I can go ahead and update. So I will go ahead and update these plugins. It will take a little bit of time, maybe a minute or two. And yeah, I think we have successfully updated all the plugins. So there you go. This is how you can go ahead and update all the installed plugins on your WordPress website. In our next video, we will be covering how you can add new categories and add your post to those categories on your WordPress website. We will be also covering the importance of having categories on your WordPress website. So stay tuned for that. If you have any queries, you can go ahead and you can put them in the comment box down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell icon so that you can get updates on whenever we come up with new SOPs. This is Justin Valia, and I will see you in our next video.